Hey everyone! Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles is bad for you? Let's uncover the truth in just 60 seconds. Many people believe that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis. But is this really true? The sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is actually caused by bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid that lubricates your joints. Studies have shown that there is no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years and found no difference in arthritis between his two hands. However, excessive knuckle cracking can lead to reduced grip strength and swelling in some cases. So, while it may not cause arthritis, it's still a good idea to crack in moderation. Now you know the truth. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more facts. See you next time.